Cloud Computing, Chapter 5, Virtualization. In this chapter, we will learn about virtualization in cloud computing. Virtualization is one of the most important technologies behind cloud computing. Virtualization allows a single physical machine to run multiple virtual machines. Each virtual machine works like a separate computer. Virtualization improves resource utilization. Now let us understand what virtualization means. Virtualization is the process of creating a virtual version of computing resources. These resources include servers, storage, networks, and operating systems. Instead of using one physical server for one task, virtualization allows multiple tasks to run on one server. This reduces hardware cost. Now let us understand why virtualization is needed. Traditional systems waste hardware resources. Virtualization allows better use of CPU, memory, and storage. It reduces power consumption and space requirements. Virtualization also improves scalability and flexibility. Now let us understand the role of hypervisor. A hypervisor is software that creates and manages virtual machines. The hypervisor sits between the hardware and the virtual machines. It allocates resources to each virtual machine. There are two types of hypervisors. Type 1 hypervisor is also called bare metal hypervisor. It runs directly on the physical hardware. Examples include VMware SCHI and Microsoft Hyper-V. Type 2 hypervisor is also called hosted hypervisor. It runs on top of an operating system. Examples include VirtualBox and VMware Workstation. Now let us understand different types of virtualization. Server virtualization divides one physical server into multiple virtual servers. Storage virtualization combines multiple storage devices into a single storage system. Network virtualization creates virtual networks using software. Desktop virtualization allows users to access desktops remotely. Virtualization provides many advantages. It reduces hardware cost. It improves system performance. It provides high availability. It makes backup and recovery easier. However, virtualization also has some limitations. It requires skilled professionals. It may cause performance overhead. Security issues may arise if not managed properly. Virtualization is widely used in cloud computing platforms. It is the foundation of IaaS services. In this chapter, we learned the basics of virtualization. Virtualization is essential for understanding cloud computing. In the next video, we will learn about cloud storage. Subscribe to Silent Sparrow for clear and focused tech education.